Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I am going to show you guys a way to make your first $1,000 on Clickbank Rapid. So on this video I'm going to reveal you guys step by step how you could do a pivot marketing with paid traffic very easily. So if this is something which you're interested by, make sure to watch this video until and also in case you are new to my YouTube channel, guys, make certain to press that subscribe button due to the fact we add each day films in this channel on how to make cash online, how to make money on Clickbank, so you do not want to omit the doubt, so make sure to press that subscribe button. So initially, if you need to make cash on Clickbank, you need to have Clickbank account. So in case you don't have Stay Financial Institution account, it's miles surely smooth to create one. Just pass on Clickbank.com and on the right corner you can see this create account. Click on that. In a couple of minutes you may just create your free 100% loose Clickbank account. So when you are performed with creating your Clickbank account, what you want to do is you want to move on a censored marketplace wherein you could locate the niches which you can promote on Clickbank. So make sure to click on associate market. So I'm going to expose you a specific product, how you can sell this precise product. However, you could use with something you want to sell. So what something product you want to sell on Clickbank, you can use this technique, or maybe above Clickbank if you have got some different products that you personal, or you want to promote some different associate products from a few different networks, you can use this same approach. So first of all, you could see at the left you can see many categories: artwork and amusement as visible on EV, cooking, food, wine, commercial, enterprise, and in advertising, training, employment, jobs, self-assist, and many other niches. So for this technique, as I said, I am going to show you, men, how you could sell precise product due to the fact it is the manner to reveal you, men, how to do this method. So to start with, we're going to click on e-business and enjoyment, a commercial, enterprise, and the advertising. So right here you may see this product proper right here, superb associate device. You can see on average in line with sale for this application you can earn 537 greenbacks and 44 cents. So meaning while a person buys this 1,000 greenback product, you're going to earn this commission. So this is 50% commission, and you could see right here it says that this product fees $997 on the front give up, and at the again and we've $147 monthly club. In order that month-to-month club, you are going to earn additionally 30% fee. So that means while you earn $500, and in the event that they stay with the program, you're still going to earn commission on the ones sales. So this is honestly splendid manner to do this approach, men. So to begin with, what you want to do is you need to click on this affiliate web page for this product. So earlier than we try this, you could go and click on and spot how this touchdown page seems like plenty to you. Men are going to assume that this isn't the exceptional searching landing page out there. However, truly this is one that truly works like loopy. You could get a whole lot of conversions, and also you don't have any distractions. So right here you can see it says free schooling. So whilst someone clicks on sign up at no cost, they may be going to show as much as check in for this stay webinar. So when they watch this webinar, they're going to get at the stop provide this $1,000 product, and in the event that they purchase the product again, you will earn 50% commission on 1,000 greenbacks. That's around $500. So that is a commission simply from one sale. So next component which you want to do is you want to click on associate web page right here, and you can see what this product has to provide. So proper here you may see they have many such things as you may earn 500 greenbacks according to sales. So loads of things that you may examine. Great. Approximately what's this product approximately. However, on the give up we need to use those movies that this application has supplied for us to make these sales. So at the give up right here round, I think it is proper right here you could see video swipes for banned YouTube advertisements. So that is right here. If you scroll to the bottom you could see endorsed for YouTube. So we are going to use this specific video right here, and you could play it to see the way it seems like. So can with him one day I made my first commission, and it is be near for the reason that I haven't labored a 9 to 5, and so you can paintings from everywhere no matter don't he, and that is your invitation. Essentially he explains what's this product approximately and why they need to be part of This existence of webinar so wants this CD. Said if they may be inquisitive about this application, they're going to click on your affiliate hyperlink, after which they may be going to be offered this application to shop for it after they buy this software. You're going to earn a $500 fee, so simplest they purchase the product, you learn commission it, no person buys the product, you are going to earn nothing basically. How associate advertising works so proper right here. You may see we can use this video on, we will use this video on our YouTube channel, and I'm going to display you men the way to installation those YouTube advertisements. So to begin with, what you need to do is you need to create a touchdown page or lead capture that looks something like this. This is my lead capture, and again it seems like not anything special, however definitely appears it honestly works like crazy because it would not have any distractions. And once someone enters their call, the email deal with, and click on get access, you will capture their email deal with so you can ship them in the future a few other programs or a few other stuff. So proper right here you can see this can be created via with ClickFunnels. So in case you wanted to create clipping funnel account, this is 14 days trial. You can sign on to hyperlink in my description and you will get 14 days trial to try this software. So essentially you could create those funnels in some clicks. It would not really want it isn't important to expose you men step by using step the way to do it because it's far just one click. So with one click on you can create the funnel, or perhaps better than this one. So as soon as you have got your funnel, once you've got installation your funnel and you have were given your associate link, you need to put while a person enters their email code with a name they click on get right of entry to, you need to send them to your affiliate hyperlink. So simply, if you do not know a way to create your associate hyperlink, click on the product that you want to sell, click on promote and enter your Clickbank identification. So once you input your Clickbank identity, click on generate hop hyperlink, and that is going to be your unique affiliate link that you're going to apply to make income from your image to your Clickbank account. So once you get sale via this associate hyperlink, the Clickbank is going to present you men fee. If you don't use this Clickbank associate link, Clickbank wouldn't need recognize which you have sent them this income. So it sincerely is critical to know that you want to use this associate hyperlink. So as soon as you have installation your funnel and your affiliate link, what you wanted to do is you can do YouTube ads. So you wanted to go on youtube.com, minimize commercials, and click on start now. So it's miles sincerely clean to create YouTube as the approach that I'm going to show you guys is the very best one. So right here you may see when you join up Google Ads, you're going to see a page like this. So proper here you could convey a internet site visitors. However, what I usually do is I click on the emblem consciousness and reach. So we need to click on that, and there have been styles of Huga Bass that you could do. So you can do display commercials or video commercials. So video commercials, that is something that you spot whilst you watch the video, and there are some different ad breaks and you will see the ad, but you could go along with show commercials. So while someone is attempting to find instance the way to make cash with affiliate advertising, and you are going to, that is going to cause they YouTube commercials, and your advert is going to show up first in YouTube's seek. So that you can do any of this, you could check it out with any of those. So for now we are going to go along with video ads. So again, there had been a few options that you may go along with: skippable units, bumper advertisements, non-skippable, and stream commercials. In case you go together with non-skippable, that is going to be a little more costly, but we are going to go with skippable and flow commercials. So permits, click on retain on that. So subsequent issue that you need to do is you need to position the name of your marketing campaign, and also you need to enter right here how an awful lot cash you're willing to spend per day. So commonly I wouldn't waste quite a few cash because it does require checking out. If you want to do any type of ads, you need to do testing. It doesn't work like you positioned $1 and you are making $5. Again, you need to find the proper campaign that actually works. So you want to do some checking out. You want to place as an instance 5 greenbacks per day simply to test it out, and if you see that it's miles worthwhile, you want to hold to spend $5, you could boom your finances to love, for example $10 or $50 per day. However, until then, until you locate your perfect ad along with your best concentrated on, you do not want to growth whatever, so that you want to do small amounts of money like 5 greenbacks consistent with, and run it for some days, see if it works. If he does not paintings as an example for 4 days or 5 days, just cancel that ad and create new one. So we are going to proper here as an instance affiliate advertising and bidding approach. We are able to depart with CPM. Subsequent issue which you need to do is you need to click on networks. So I commonly go along with I commonly pause only. With YouTube videos I don't go together with companions. I just like to run my ads on YouTube languages. So we are trying to promote English speaking language. So we are going to promote to the English humans that simply realize how to speak English. You don't want to promote to the French humans and English product because a lot of them do not know how to speak English. So vicinity you could position. We are going to depart this out for now. However, due to the fact we're going to use a few extraordinary type of targeting. However, you may also goal which vicinity you are trying to send your visitors. So for instance, if you want to go USA, you can just easily placed America proper right here. So what are we going to do is we're going to leap in on audiences. So proper here we can see you may create your very own target audience. You can put keywords, subjects, and placement ads. So that is genuinely crucial for us because we're going to run placement advertisements for this approach. And proper right here you can go and goal any YouTube video that you need to sell your advertisements. So if you are trying to do affiliate advertising to educate human beings how to make their online enterprise in the first-class manner to find humans which are interested in a way to make cash online, is to go on YouTube and look for associate advertising and marketing. So we are trying to train humans a way to make money with associate advertising and marketing, and you may go and locate these videos that has quite a few views. For example, this video has 230,000 perspectives, which means that you can attain this quantity of humans in this video so that you can goal this video with ads. So proper right here 230,000 human beings that are interested in the way to make cash with affiliate advertising and marketing. You may cross and target them with our advert in our software due to the fact they may be in reality involved in the way to make money on with associate advertising, and we're presenting them this route that explains grade by grade how to do it. So the very best manner to do it, just go reproduction the link of this YouTube video and region it right here within the placement commercials right here and click on input. So you will put your video that you're looking to target proper right here, and you could begin running commercials on YouTube. So once your ad account is approved and your movies are proof which you have decided on, you may run YouTube advertisements. So it is sincerely easy to show you guys to do it little by little. Simply go and do quite a few testing earlier than you find your prevailing marketing campaign. Once you discover your triumphing campaign, make sure to maintain going for walks those ads, and once that aren't profitable, make certain to avoid them because they are dropping your cash. And also you do not need to maintain something that lose your cash for all time. So what I also additionally propose you guys is to head in, seek for instance affiliate marketing, and you may move on clear out cross this week. And you can also choose with a view count so you can find the most considered videos about the way to make cash online. So you may target those videos. So proper right here this guy has uploaded and 7 days ago this how to make cash with Amazon affiliate advertising or at the stop of Amazon affiliate advertising. So basically video explains why Amazon associate marketing is over. You may offer a few different products which are associated a way to make money with affiliate advertising because that is going to be something that those humans are hobbies these days. So guys, that might be it for ultra modern video. If you have any questions, feel free to invite and comment down under.